Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to delete all viruses on any Vivo phone. Now, to do that, just open the Play Store app on your smartphone, then tap on the profile icon at the upper right corner on the display. Now, just tap on Play Protect. From here, just tap on Scan. Now, once you tap on Scan, the Play Protect feature will start scanning the apps on your smartphone to detect any harmful apps or viruses. Now, as you can see, no harmful apps found. Now, once you have done that, just go to your home screen and open the iManager app. From here, just tap on Security Scan. Now, from here, it will detect any viruses from our smartphone. Now, as you can see, our smartphone is secure. Now, as you can see, this is how you can delete all viruses on any Vivo phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.